Hmm?
Huh?
I think they're hungry. Come on, go.
That's gonna be a new
Hmm?
swimming. You think that's gonna be new?
There's something over there. You see him?
What?
You see? That looks like a shark over there. Under the hose thingy. That's a shark. That's a baby shark.
But it's dead.
It's not dead. It's sleeping.
They don't sleep. Fishes are supposed
They are. It is sleeping. It looks like a baby shark or something. It's moving. It's not dead. You can't see. It's right there.
I see it for
Come on there.
right there.
There's another one over there. They are baby sharks.
But why don't they sleep?
Because they're sleeping. And yes, fishes do sleep.
They're supposed to have a sleep and swim after.
What?
There's the baby turtle. Yeah, they're big.
I think they're hungry. They keep following us.
Suppose if that turtle goes near to that shark.
It's not going to eat it. It's too small. This turtle is too big.
Oh no. That turtle, it looks like
I think it is a baby shark. There's one right there. And there's another one over there.
It's a tiger baby shark.
A tiger shark?
Yes.
I think so. Sleeping on its side.